They're watching us as we all fly away. They're watching us. They're watching us as we all fly away. They're watching us. They're watching us as we all fly away.
Hello. Greetings, ultimate android fighters and artists of the entire city. Tonight we're gonna draw Ultimate Cell Jr. If you realize Cell was strong, you have now discovered that his son is actually strong as well. And tonight we are opening the Cell games. Tonight we're gonna start the Cell games as we draw Ultimate Cell Jr. Ultimate Cell Jr. first appeared while Goku and the others were at the Tournament of Power, as they first met Goten and Trunks as they first used the Batara earrings. That was very impressive of them. This is my first time seeing Ultimate Cell Jr. I never realized that. First off, I always thought that Cell Jr. I always thought that regular Cell would return in Dragon Ball Super. But turns out it was a Ultimate Fusion for Cell Jr. Remind me that I have to draw Cell Jr. one of these days. I actually quite like this character. I actually like him. One more thing. Let the Cell games begin. Alright, and here's his fist. One last thing we must draw. His wings. Get this, they can stay fused as much as they want without limitations. Impressive for them. And finished. That's how you draw Ultimate Cell Jr. Proud you got to see me draw this guy. And this episode goes out to all those who have created Dragon Ball Super. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Like and rock. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.